Okay, good morning everyone. So welcome to the fourth part for the lesson 5, the network security in the course Introduction to Cybersecurity. So last lesson I already mentioned to you about the intrusion detection system. Different from the firewall, we can apply the AI in the intrusion detection system. And today I will introduce how we can apply the AI or artificial intelligence for cybersecurity. Okay, the problem is why we need to use AI in security. I think they have two reasons. First, it's kind of very big data. Currently, a lot of traffic, like a denial of service, they attack, and the traffic is too big. If we use kind of very simple, I think we cannot detect many kind of sophisticated attack. And second, because we use AI, we can detect more accurate malicious traffic. So if you see on the screen, this is the attack before the attack the traffic between the many countries in the United States, Europe, China, Taiwan, India, and many countries. And the traffic attacks just increase over years, up to about the gigabit per second or even 3 terabit per second. So if we do not use AI, I think it's quite the detection accuracy maybe it's very low, very low. So remember two reasons to use AI. First is big data processing, and second we can increase accuracy. And here is one example. It's very difficult to know which kind of request from the real user and from the malicious one, right? So if you see in practice, we launch a denial service. We can have a malicious traffic mixed with clean traffic, right? Because some compromised computer just want a part of a zombie network or botnet. But that's one they just inject with the malware. But normally the whole computer still still have some clean traffic, and the user do not know have some malicious software or the malware besides, so he still can use. Everything is normal, right? So now traffic come from that computer includes malicious traffic and includes the clean traffic, right? The problem, after the traffic go through the router and go to the target server, they kind of mix the traffic. So the question, how we can know which one is malicious traffic and which one is clean traffic, right? So that is the basic question. And actually you can use several parts, like you can use a firewall to block several traffic from a specific the IP, like specific countries. But that one is not it's not flexible and something is not accurate. So that's why we need to use AI over here. AI is very powerful when we can use many traffic. We can learn in a kind of big data, and we can separate or distinguish which one is malicious and which one is clean traffic. And here is one example. We can use AI for packet filtering in the near source. In our this one is our our paper. Our paper. We use AI for enhanced denial service, distributed denial service filter is the IoT gateway. Like you have a home router. You have a home router, and something like some PC on the network in the lab or the campus just got injected by some malware. So over here I install the AI, the base system on the IoT gateway. Like actually in our model we use AutoDL and the transformer version can try to classify traffic. So our model can provide higher accuracy. So we'll look more detail later. So you can see AI for denial service filter, and AI for malware detection. So you can see ransomware is kind of very dangerous malware, right? And you can see on the news we have a lot of kind of the news indicate have a lot of ransomware. They try to attack and steal stolen a lot of money, right? Actually, just ransomware is just not a problem in the United States, Europe, in Taiwan, actually in everywhere. They just try to blackmail the victim, right? And the malware analyst, we have a two-way. We can statistic, like we can analyze the code, and we have a dynamic. We just rely on the behavior, like after the malware runs, and we can monitor network traffic, API event, and we can figure out is kind of behavior come from the malware or not. So in our method, we just convert the malware binary code to the image. So we have several the methods like Markov transition field or kind of correlation matrix. So we just convert to the binary code like exe file to the image, and we use AI because most most AI the model, they can support kind of computer vision, right? Computer vision. So that's why we need to convert the malware to binary code, exe file or CSV file. You can convert to the image. So you can see this one is one example. We convert to the control the plot, and here we can based on the time series of data, we can use Markov transition the field. We can average and we can build this kind of the picture for learning in future. And here is our transformer based IDS system. So this come from our paper. That's very new. Just published about the last 2 weeks. Yeah, last 2 weeks. We use a transformer encoder or and multi-hat attention. So okay, if you are first time to see this one, no problem. Just the key point over here, how we use AI the model to in IDS to detect the kind of malicious traffic. Okay. Okay, that is information inside. So in the IDS, so we can apply for CNN, we have LSTM or several model. So actually this one you just replace this transformer the model over here. You just replace transformer and with the other model. And with the advanced, in future if you think you can develop the better model, you just replace this one, and you can tweak some of the data pre-processing, and after that you can apply and output for this one. Okay, and here is an example for how we can apply the intrusion detection for IoT gateway. In the left side you can see that's a kind of current firewall and IPS in our home router, right? It's very cheap, and our model just replace that one because last previous they just detect on the threshold. They can see the port scan, or they can see kind of TCP ping of that or TCP flooding based on the threshold number of packet. But our model, they can detect more accurate, like they can detect the behavior or something. You can evenly you can send the send packet in fragmentation. So they can still detect very well. And okay, this part I just introduced about how we can use AI in the malware detection, in the ransomware detection, and in intrusion detection. Actually, AI can help can help to enhance the firewall and IDS very more accurate, or can increase about accuracy and intelligent decision. But the one key point is build the AI for security. That's a data set. You need to select a good data set. And if you want to build the data set, you must spend a little bit quite long time. Okay? So because AI rely on the big data, if you do not have a data set, you cannot do it. I think the accuracy is not improved so much compared with conventional or traditional model. And the last one is AI is for intrusion detection system. Still very hot topic and still very under development or under research. So if you interested about this topic, I think you can look more detail how you can use AI for firewall, like a level 7 firewall, and you can use AI for IPS, like a intrusion prevention system, and you can use AI for intrusion detection system, in the 5G or 6G, right? Or you can use AI for cybersecurity in AI. So actually, you have a many kind of solution. You can use AI, and the last one you can use quantum technology for AI, for cybersecurity. I mean, you can combine quantum computing, the capability with AI capability, and to enhance the capability for intrusion detection system. So we have many kind of research problem related to this part. So I hope after this lesson you can look more detail and to kind of specific the topics. Okay, so see you everyone the next lesson.